this is my model diesel engine starter. Look at the other video I do about this. It works reasonably well, but there is a mechanical spring in here. Just trying to bang it to see if you can hear it. Now it does have a spring on here. This sort of latches against a ratchet thing inside. Now this doesn't, see, you might have just seen it work there, but I found, I mean, this is just all, it's all prototype and what I'm doing here. So basically the idea is you stick that on a model diesel engine after winding it up, knock the ratchet off, and it kick starts the model diesel engine. That's it. This can rotate. If it gets stuck on a diesel engine, it has an extra ratchet inside there. So that's, if you look at my other video, I do talk about this. Try and put a card on there if I remember. One problem with this, it uses a musical box, like a music box spring, clockwork type spring. Well, I've just bought this other spring, which is, well, it's bigger diameter for one thing. It's about the overall size of the outside of this, I think. It's probably thicker. Yeah, it's going to be thicker, because it's mainly this part that has the spring and the rest has ratchets in and one thing and another in this part model here. And it's probably thicker, so it's certainly heavier. I can feel the weight. This has just come today. This is 4 o'clock. Now this has a piece of, it didn't come in this plastic bag, I've just put it in this plastic bag for safety, because you have to be careful with springs. They can store a lot of energy and have sharp edges on. It's recommended that you wear safety glasses. If I can get this bag open. Just try not to come with this sort of almost like waxy paper that they put in some machinery parts, and it has this sort of wire around. Do not untie the wire unless you've got it like safety, because this can spring out. So it has, this other one had a sort of hook thing on and a thing in the middle, but it's tendency for the thing in the middle, like the hole that's in the spring in here, is only a small hole. It's for a peg on the music box, on a metal thing on the music box. So it doesn't tend, sometimes it comes off, and I think I could want it, well, let's see, I think it's come off there now. So, you know, I can just keep on turning it, and it's not winding up because it's come off the, like, little peg, like a little pawl that grips inside. See, there's one on here, but this is, I think, bigger. I haven't even had a chance to really have a look at this yet, but I'm going to redesign this, basically just make it a bit bigger really, diameter, for this one to fit, and have to modify how it like can catch on with this sort of hole here and a hole in the center. So I'm going to be doing that. Will this ever work? This is just prototyping on a final one. I'll have some sort of extra safety things on, so you can't put your finger, well, it'd be hard to put your fingers forward of the turning part when it's going to need a propeller on a model diesel engine. So I'm going to be looking at that.